Hello everybody, my name is Kay, otherwise known as Chansu Bromance on IG and Twitter. I also write as EXO1127_0112 on AsianFanfics.com. Hello everybody, I'm back with another unboxing video for you. So this time it's EXO's countdown albums, and these are all the variations they have. They also have a countdown live venue, I believe, but I don't know if I will be getting that one because again it's like I believe it's a sleeve and a sticker, and then most of the pictures there are also in the individual member covers, so I will still think about it whether I will be getting those as well. And I only have 4 of the members' photo cards at the moment, and I'm not sure whether I will get the other 4. Maybe I will. Depends whether I chance upon them or not. Anyway, yeah, so let me just show you the photo cards that I do have. So we have leader names. Japan photo cards are really good quality, I believe, and the paper is much thicker than the Korean press. And the back looks like this. So this is Suho. And then we have Chen. I don't remember which member that this came with. Yeah, I get some photo cards with members, so it depends which one is included. So I got Chen. And yeah, the back is the same. And then of course Chansu's. If you watched my unboxing of Dio's, this came with Chanyeol's photo card came with Dio's coming over, not coming over, countdown. Oh my god. Okay, so the back looks the same, right? And Dio's I've had to look for individually. This one is very much coveted everywhere, and yeah, same back, right? And so that is it for the photo cards. And now, okay, so the group covers, I don't know exactly what the difference is. Maybe because this one is a CD and DVD. They also have a Blu-ray version of this, but I opted for the DVD one. And this one is, I think, an EXO special cover. So, okay, maybe I will start with this one. Maybe because this is much simpler. I don't know. Yeah, so this is the CD. I wonder if this is a DVD as well. It's got 2 discs. Oh yeah, it's a DVD. It says here. I haven't watched it yet, so I will find out what the contents will be. Yeah, this is unsealed, so I guess this one should have been at the side here. Anyway, I'll leave it there, and let's look at the photo book. Okay, yeah, group cover. Okay, we have individual photos. Look at Suho. Very elegant looking. Then we love Dio in a pink suit. Right? Chanyeol he looks even taller with that trench coat. Then we have Baekhyun here, looking pensive. Wow, Kai and Sehun. Chen. And then we have Chen, gorgeous. And then we have the song lyrics here. Electric Kiss coming over. Love Me Right, Romantic Universe. Lightsaber. Then Tactics. Into My World. Loving You More. Drop that. And then some inserts here. Then track list in credits. Alright, and that is it for this version. I think they call this the normal edition. I have no idea. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's just the same contents inside. Okay. Oh, it's got double the plastic. Okay. Alright. Okay, so here, this is particularly difficult to find. Yeah, countdown EXO. So the group photo looks like this. And, oh, okay. Then, yeah, so this would be the CD and the DVD. And, okay, let me see. So, no, it's different. Okay, we actually have 2 photos per member. He's so handsome. Yeah, this was the photo for this one. Right? And then, hi Kyungsu. Oh, okay, so we get 1 photo from this version. And then a special one for this one. So it's, yeah, it's more worth to get this one, I guess. Yes, I remember this photo. I was in love with this photo from when I did unboxing for Chanyeol's countdown cover. Right? And then we have Baekhyun. Ooh. And then we have Xiumin. Sehun. Oh my god. I love this one. I mean, both are gorgeous. Just wow. Kai, look at you. Oh my god. And then, yes, we have Electric Kiss. So we have the lyrics pages here. How many songs though? Oh, okay, I skipped a couple of pages. And then, yeah, same lyrics and credits here. I mean, credits here. Yes, and that is it for this version. Alright, then we move on to this one. This one, I believe, is an XOL cover. Special cover. It's just more colorful though. Like, okay, go here. Alright. Yeah, so the cover looks like this. And yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, so the CD looks like this. I guess this is CD and DVD. DVD, very light. Okay. And then this one is the CD. EXO Countdown. Very cute color scheme though. Alright. And what is this? Okay. It's in Japanese, so I don't know. What is this? Alright. Okay. I have no idea. It's some kind of binoculars. For what though? Maybe they sold this at the concert and you can use it while watching the show. I don't know. Okay, thank you. So this is one of the inclusions, like binoculars type thing. Let's go to the photo book. Photo book is, I guess, 1 page per member. Ooh! Wow. I haven't seen these photos before so far. Ah, wow. Chanyeol and Baekhyun. Xiumin and Sehun. Oh, okay. So the order of the members from this album as well. Okay, and so some inserts. Then we have Kai and Chen. And that's it. Wait, did I see Sehun? I did, right? Yes, I did. Yeah, just those. So we have the lyrics pages now. Very light. Yeah. So all 10 songs here, and then we have the credits page. Yeah, it's very light. I don't know if it will be captured by the camera, but yes. So that is it for this version. And then, okay, so we move on to the members' individual covers. Okay, I have done browsing for Xiumin's for his birthday, so I will skip him for today. So I will do Suho's. I will do Suho's, Baekhyun's, Chen's, and Chanyeol. I also have done this in one of my earlier videos. And then Dio's as well. And I will do Kai and Sehun. So I will do 5 member covers today. So again, we will start with the oldest. Right, so the oldest is leader Nim. Because I've done Xiumin's. Right. Okay, what I love about this album is that aside from the specialized sleeve personal to the members, is yeah, also the CD is per member basis. So this is what Suho's CD looks like. Smoldering gaze. And yeah, some inserts, and then let's go through the photo book. Alright, so Suho is like this. Look how handsome he is. Come on. Alright, so we have Suho EXO count. Oh my god, I love this photo. I mean, I've seen it on the group cover, but wow. Yeah, so for this album anyway, you will get the photos from the other versions. So again, if you just buy your biases cover, then it's already worth it. Suho. Ah, wow. He misses very leading man, you know, type vibe. So coming over lyrics. Love Me Right, Romantic Universe lyrics. Silhouette shot. And then yes, the group cover. Sorry, the group photo. Right? And then Suho again. Look at that face. Beautiful face. Lightsaber. Tactics. Into My World. And then, yes, that Prince Yeah, this was a picture from the group version. Loving you more. Ooh. Like a chaebol. Chaebol? I don't know how to pronounce that correctly. Okay, drop that. Run this. Nice. Cosmic Railway. And then we have the track list here. Oh, I just noticed it says here lightsaber rap making by Chanyeol and MQ. Very cool. And then there's background vocals by Dio and Adrian McKinnon. Oh, rap directed by MQ. Oh, cool. Nice. Yeah, if you take a look at the credits, you'll be amazed how involved EXO is in their songs. Right? Okay, more credits. EXO L Japan. Oh, cute. And that's it for Suho's cover. And then we go on to Baekhyun. So I will most likely, since they have the same contents based on lyrics and song titles, I will just concentrate on the rest of the members on their photos. So ASMR. Alright, so yes, and then we have Baekhyun sleeve. Right. And then his CD looks like this. Very suave. Okay, and okay, put it here. Then we have Baekhyun's photo book. Stunning. Right, and then oh, sultry. Wow. Okay, let's go through the photos quickly. Looking a little, I wouldn't say sleepy, but yeah, he seems to be like thinking a lot. Wow. Like I'm bored, but I'm sexy, so I can get away with it look. Very cute. Nice. And then the silhouette shot. Yes, the group photo. Okay, and oh. Very artistic. Okay, lyrics, more lyrics. Baekhyun. Okay, and hey. Ooh. Just him on the stairs, you know. Drop that, run this. Oh. Cute. Lyrics, checklist, and the credits. That is it for Baekhyun's photo book. Then we go to Chen. Jongdae. Alright, and then the sleeve is like this. So there's Chen. Right, and then Chen's CD looks like this. Right. And so he's wearing a trench coat as well. Right, and then photo book. I love him with, is this orange hair? Orange or pink? So we have Chen, EXO, Countdown. I think pink hair, right? Goes with his, is this also pink? Pink trench coat. Okay, and then, oh, this one's my favorite, I think. Wow. Ooh, I haven't seen this photo before. This looks familiar to me. His eyelashes are so long. Wow. Look at that profile. And the silhouette shot. Alright, and group photo. More silhouette shot. Okay, and oh wow. Handsome, handsome, handsome. He's so tiny. No, I meant cute tiny. Come on. And yeah, so lyrics. Ooh, cute. So I think we're getting at least 10 or 12 photos per member in their individual photo book. Okay, that's it for Chen's photo book. And then Kai. Okay, I'm doing great pace-wise, hopefully. Yeah, this was just packaged by the seller, so obviously I haven't opened it up yet. Okay, hang on a minute. Ayo. But at least it's protected, right? Ay. A little ASMR moment. Okay. We're finally freeing Kai's Countdown album. So Kai's CD looks like this. Okay. Kai. And his photo book. And sexy Jongin. EXO Countdown Kai. Ooh. Look at him. Okay, and ooh. Is he wearing contacts? Maybe. Yeah, because in some shots his eyes seem to be lighter. He's just sitting there and he's automatically sexy. And yeah, here we go. Silhouette shot. Then we have the group photo again. Ooh. Even if it's like hiding half of his face, he's still handsome. Nice. Sultry Jongin. Is it the same as the cover? I know. Different head tilt. And that is it for Jongin or Kai's cover. Huni. Let's go. Alright, so his sleeve looks like this. And the CD. Nice, very nice. Now we go to the photo book. Coming over, oh wow. You know that nervous laugh you give off when someone really attractive stares at you like this? Yeah, I'm... Stop it, I have to move on. Okay. And then we have Sehun again. He's very, you know, model-like. Like, they're just people who are innately, I don't know, very... They have just a huge impact. I can't even talk. It'll just, you know, appreciate someone. Alright, and then, oh. Wow, this boy knows what he's doing. See, he's just staring like that. And then we have the silhouette shot. And then group photo. Right? And then another silhouette shot. Gorgeous. And then lyrics. Oh, nice. And then we have another one. Lyrics. Oh. Hello, sir. And okay, that's it for Sehun's photo book. One last thing that I did buy for the countdown era is this official A4 file folder, and it's Dio's. So yeah, I don't actually know what I'm gonna use it for, but it's got Dio's handsome face, so this is enough said, I guess. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have further suggestions of what you would like me to unbox next, kindly comment below and I will try my best to schedule them for you, especially if I have them on hand. However, as of this time, my plan is to unbox the albums in chronological order of their release. And unless, you know, I have merch coming and I'm excited to unbox them, then yeah, there will be like surprise unboxing. Anyway guys, please stay safe, stay healthy. I will see you in the next video. Bye.